Welcome everyone! You notice that two maps are classified or they are completely grayed out. So there are two ways to unlock this. Both ways require us to first of all head out of zombies and just make sure you see campaign multiplayer zombies option. First way is you play the 5-hour campaign, and once it's completed the two maps become unlocked. The second way is we just do something that takes 50 seconds to unlock it immediately. So check out my controller hand cam. We're just going to spam click both R2 and L2 together. Just click these until Mason releases the chair. This only works if you are on the main menu. So that's why we left zombies. From here, we're going to navigate to the computer. So we're just going to look for the computer here. There we go. And I'm just going to hold square to use it. So we're going to run this cheat code. There's a caveat after running this that I will explain. So the preview of the keyboard is off to the side, and you just use the D-pad to just select stuff, and then just click the X button to enter. So there we go. I'm going to type in 3ARC and then use the in-game space button. So just click space and then and if you mess up, you have to click the delete button. So just do unlock. And there we go. And then once we are done, we're just going to click on enter. And you can see cheat enabled. So don't click the square button to like go back. You have to use the literal delete button. And it says cheat enabled. So the upside of this is if I sit down, everything's unlocked. The stuff's unlocked. The downside is this. So let me just first of all show you. See, 5 Deluxe Arcade immediately available. Downside is that if you care about Platinum Trophy, if you care about trophies, one trophy will be permanently disabled. Now there's workarounds, but there is an achievement in this game where you complete the campaign without leaving the chair. As we just left the chair, we can't get that trophy. So if you care about that trophy, I'll have a tutorial in the description on how to, unlock that trophy even after you have left the chair. Otherwise, real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.